With our experience with completing over 350 window and door replacement projects throughout BC, we have not only rigorous training procedures, with our on-site training and even before they get to the job site, but also throughout all of our company culture as well. So being a 100% employee-owned company,
Yes.
all of our employee owners take a lot of pride in what they do, making sure that every single product that's installed on the job sites will last the test of time and outlast the warranties that are provided on the job site as well. Make sure you're finding a company that is following the 2021 Best Practice Guide for Windows and Door replacement. It's, as we mentioned before, it's incredibly important to follow those steps to make sure that the windows are airtight, watertight, and structurally secured to the building, especially when undertaking a renovation project. Make sure you're finding a reliable service company that lives, breathes, and is an expert in that field as well.
Which is definitely you guys.
You betcha.